What's up, family? It's your girl Supernova Jazz, and we are going to get into some things I got for Christmas this year. A lot of things I got for Christmas was on my wish list, so I'm so blessed, I'm so abundant. And let's review some of these gifts because, you know, maybe some of them I want to return. I don't know. I hope everyone had a really great Christmas. This is going to be technically the last day of my Vlogmas series. It wasn't the most perfect Vlogmas, but it was my first one, and I really think I did a spectacular job, if I say so myself. If you want to look at the best vlog I had during this season, just look at the description below and go check it out after this video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and hit like if you are super blessed. You got what you wanted for Christmas. Even if that feels like just sitting in gratitude this season, it's not about all materialistic things. But before I start really getting into some of the gifts I have, I wanna go over with you guys and you let me know what you think. Okay, so we are gonna start with the first gift I got this season because I won it in a raffle at my boyfriend's holiday company Christmas party. Is the MetaQuest 2 virtual reality goggles. Honestly, anytime I get technology, my favorite thing is the packaging. Even though it's so simple, it's just something about unboxing it. So if you guys want to check out the unboxing video, look at the description below because you guys can check out the exclusive unboxing for the MetaQuest 2 virtual reality goggles. But I love these, honestly, because I would have never gotten them myself. So the universe blessing me with winning that raffle was just, it was A1. I think my favorite part about having these already is taking them to my boyfriend's family's house, my family's house, allowing everyone to just be in the MetaQuest. I honestly did see a Victoria Monet I Heart concert. That was super neat. The quality, just being in there, so you can do them standing up, you can outline a boundary around yourself so you're not knocking into any perpendicular objects, obstacles, or you can put it in stationary mode and just be in the MetaQuest. Another thing I got as far as technology, high quality technology, is this new Sony vlogging camera. We did talk about it again in the early days of Vlogmas, and I'm using it right now. The quality has been, and ever since I've switched over from my iPhone to this, it's just been a game changer. Super happy to take that leap as a content creator and get me some equipment. It's not technology, but more of a tool. I did get a new glass for my phone. So it's a privacy glass screen because I don't know, you never know who's standing behind you in line and just like looking at you, text or whatever, but something about the privacy screen. Also did get a new phone case, which I should actually put on my phone right now. Okay, so you can definitely tell I have a type of phone case. So I don't know what it's called. I guess it's like a back stand. So I usually see these and they don't have the back stand, which I never get. Like, I need a back stand. So I guess this is like a, when I see the design like this and they don't have a back stand, it's a magnet for charging. I don't know, girl. So this is my old case, and let's put on the new case. It's a rose tinted gold with a light pastel white here. The rose gold trimming is so cute. Wow, it actually comes with a screen protector, so that's clutch. So this is the new phone case. Another gift I got from my mom. She's so sweet. She just asked me what I want, and I'm like, this is what I want. She gets for me. But I got a card reader because, like I said, I'm investing in my content creation, and this card reader connects directly to my iPhone, so you can see the iPhone port here. And you put the memory card in here, and then boop, you just upload the files to the file app, and now you have the images on your phone. So even though this is a wireless camera and I have an app and I can transfer the photos, it seems like there's a little bit of delay on this camera versus my Sony A1000. That one's like super fast. I just think having this extra really quick connect to my iPhone alternative tool is just gonna help me pump out this content in 2024, baby. Okay. Victor's dad, my boyfriend's dad, we did Secret Santa at their house as well, and we used the app called Elfie, which is super awesome. His sister actually hosted it, so shout out to her for hosting the Secret Santa, but you just upload literally directly the links of what you want. And this is one of the things I want because I know I'm not gonna get it myself. And it's the car mount for my iPhone. So I'm really working on just being able to use my phone but not directly hold it in my hand a lot, because your girl's hand gets a little stiff. Victor's dad also got me these teeth whitening. The teeth whitening. And one of my favorite gifts, he actually also got me my camera case. So for the Sony ZV-1F, it's going in this baby. And in here, I probably just keep the card reader in here, keep the extra batteries I put on order right now because I got a gift card from my titi from Amazon. So titi, that's what I got. That's what I spent the money on. Okay, more stuff for my camera, and it's cute. And you can't go wrong with black. It was either like black or pink, but sometimes the pink is just too much. Now that we're on the gifts that my Secret Santa got me from my mom's house, my tia also got me this super cute dress. Oh my god, it's so sexy. So I'm probably gonna do a try on haul on this. I'll probably put this on in my next video, but this is super cute. You can just tell that it's gonna wrap around. Just put this on and then it kind of like wraps around at the top. It's gonna be a lot of skin because your girl is going on a cruise to Mexico next month. So you guys are definitely gonna be seeing me pack for my trip. You're gonna see the outfits I'll be styling beforehand, because that's one of the things, especially as a model, especially as a fashionista, when you don't try anything on until the day of when you're gonna use it, right? So if it's like an event, because you know what you need to feel good. Your body is one of one, you know? So in these materials, even though we get them to our size, there's always ways you could zhuzh it or style it up to your liking. So when you're not prepared and you're at your event, it's just, so we're gonna do a try on haul for sure. This is the bag she put it in, how cute. I do repurpose Christmas bags. Yes, we will be doing that. Jump into my next gift giver. I guess all the godmothers bought their goddaughters gifts this year. And she bought me, these are pretty. I think I love these the most. They're like yellow petals. You got some glitter cheetah. This is gonna look cute with like an all black fit. And then earrings from BB. So these are really pretty, these gold hoops. And then you got some dangling gem earrings, which are very cute for like a fancy night out, date night. And yeah. My boyfriend's mom got me this nail kit, which is super cute, all-in-one nail care kit, which is so funny because I literally have been saying maybe I should do more press-ons. We did some press-ons together in Vlogmas twice. The first set of press-ons were great. The Grinch press-ons were like doing this, and then I feel like if I get some gel X nails, I'll let you guys know when I buy those. But what I'm not gonna do is do my toenails. So we're going to the nail salon for a pedicure, but I think in 2024 I'm gonna be on my gel X nail girly era, because I went in to get manicure for gel X. I love how quick it is, but why is it still like 65 bucks? One thing about me is I love eucalyptus and mint. When you put those together. So she also got me these bath bombs. Super cute. You can't go wrong with this. I'm all about aromatherapy these days. Okay, so now we're on to the gifts that my boyfriend got me. Stocking stuffers, he got me some masks. So this is a green tea mask. This one is honey. Super cute. He went to Ulta. And this is a rice mask, so I'll probably use this tonight. He also got me this wax wand. So it's waxing for your eyebrows. It's a wand. So this is gonna be super neat to use. I've never used this before. I'll probably do it with you guys and let you know, because I've also just been like doing my own eyebrows this past year, and honestly I haven't been even touching them. I've just been allowing to grow and reshape, and when it comes to reshaping, it's a whole process of just allowing your eyebrows to grow. And then my favorite gift of all is my So cute. Super beautiful. Pattern is gorgeous. The gold. I just love the style he got. I love a good suede brown. It's just, it came with a shorter strap as well. But yes, this, you will be seeing her in a lot of fits this year, okay? A lot of fits. All right, Supernova family, well, that's what I got for Christmas. I love it all, and honestly, if I didn't get a damn thing, I would still be grateful that I have my health, my family, and my ambition to just keep building out this journey and working with the universe to manifest whatever kind of life I desire. Thank you guys so much. Again, hit the like button to help me push this video out into the algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one.